Hello, Captain Mumu here, and today I'm going to be riding 7 lifts at my dad's work. The first 2 lifts are a set of 2015 Coney lifts at one of the entrances. Let's ride them. Right, here are these Coney lifts. So these actually look like separate ones because of their call buttons, but these are actually connected. Now, I've not got gloves on, and this is coronavirus, so let's let Dad press the button. Here we go. So this one should be coming down because this is the closest to our floor. The indicator looks like it's flashing, really it isn't. That is a strange indicator with camera thing. Let's see if it does it in this one as well. Yep, it's flashing. Right, we'll go up to 2. The reason I'm going up to 2 is because that's my dad's work floor. Here we go. Oh, I have not felt the feel of a lift for a long time. That is an epic motor as well. Did you hear that thing? Right, let's go out. Right, so that was that lift, and now I'm going to cut ahead to go to the other lift because my dad just needs to do some stuff up here. So here's the other lift. Now, just a quick demo that these are actually a set. If my dad pressed this button, then this one would be called. Here we are. This one has opened, but we want to take a ride in the other lift. So just send that one back to 0. And look, the down arrow shows because it knows it's going down. So, no, Dad, it's this one you need to call. Oh, it's called that one as well, see? When my dad pressed that one, it's also called this one as well. We'll take this one up. Hello? Right, do you want to press 4? Here we go. Doesn't have a door hold button. Never seen a Coney with a door hold button. Yikes. That is a cool motor. And it pre-doors as well. Now, anyway, let's head to the next lift. Next, we move on to another 2015 Coney lift that is single. Right, here we are. Now, as you can see, here's the secret cabinet. I like that cabinet design. Do you want to press it? As you can see, it says it's coming up. And like the other one, this one, yikes, them doors are slow. That is annoying. Right, so do you want to go back down to 0, Dad?
We'll go to 2.
Okay. God, that glove stinks of hand sanitizer. God, this is fast. These are some epic motors on these Coney lifts. And you can hear the relays as well. This is simply perfect. Well, I wanted to go back down to the ground floor.
Okay.
So press down. Here it is again. This one is probably the fastest out of all of them. Do you want to press the close button? Nah. Doesn't say door closing if you don't press the door close. Here we go. These rattle quite a lot. There we go. Don't know if you saw that pre-door or not. Showers? Showers? Really? Showers? Right, anyway, let's head into the next building where we will find 2 ThyssenKrupp lifts. Well, 4 ThyssenKrupp lifts actually. God, that is... That's a nice Coney button.
Up to the 4th floor now.
Yeah, if we close it, you might have seen that the outer door didn't close fully. You pressed door open and it closed. What floor? 4. Why are we going back up to 4 again?
To go to the next building.
Okay. So this is the last of this lift we'll be seeing. For some reason, on this one, the indicator doesn't flicker until we get up really close, which is nice. These are the only 2015 Coney Eco discs I've ever been in. And did you see that replacement? Yeah, just.
I'm gonna stop now.
Yeah. So did you see that replacement call button on the ground floor as well? But anyway, we're gonna stop and we'll take you to the 2 south lifts. Now we head to the south lifts, which are a set of ThyssenKrupp lifts with Dewhurst buttons. Right, here we are, the south lifts. These are both ThyssenKrupp lifts with Dewhurst fixtures. This one, you can see how fast these go. Let's see this one. I think this one is called now. No, so we're on the 4th floor, aren't we? So, do you want to call it? These lifts are some of the fastest I've ever been in. Look how fast these floors go by. Gah! It's going down. Here we go. Look how fast that is going. This is absolutely ridiculously fast. Believe it or not, these were originally some black button Otis lifts. Should we go all the way to Middle Parkin?
Doors closing.
Now, hold on to your handlebars. This is going to be quite a ride. Still accelerating. Gravity's gone a bit weird.
Middle parking.
See, we're already at Middle Parkin.
Doors opening.
Gah! That is fast. I can tell you it feels worse when you go up. And God, have I not been here in a long time. I remember this. Here we go. So which floor shall we go to now? We'll go to upper ground. Yeah, we'll go there.
Doors closing.
Huh, a white button. Let's see what happens when we press door open. There we go.
Going up.
What are them red lights down there? I don't know. Let's see what happens if I stand here. Doesn't change colour. So, as you can see, it's red. Here we go.
Upper ground floor.
See, we've already gone to 2 floors in less than a second. And these are the fastest lifts I have ever been in, believe it or not. But this could be like my 92nd or 93rd video, I'm not sure. Because recently I've done my 91st. But anyway, shall we take the other one? Right, it's at floor 4. So, send it up. So, yeah, send that one up to 4.
Doors closing.
The doors are going to close. As that one's going up, don't think you pressed it. You didn't press it, Dad. You didn't. The light didn't come on. We'll be back once we've called this other one. Right, so this one's going up now. It's already at floor 4. These are just ridiculously fast. Look how fast that is going! That is going nutcrackers fast. This is the faster one. This is the faster one. This is the slowest one. This one is the slowest ThyssenKrupp here, even though it goes faster than the Eco discs. But man, this is going to be a ride.
Doors closing.
This is the fastest lift I have ever been in, this one. Here we go. Look at that! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh, it's vibrating, it's so fast.
Doors opening.
Oh my God, that's taking my breath away. That is the fastest thing. And look at that view. We were down at there a second ago. We got up here in about 3 seconds. This is a ridiculous lift. I am still shaking. Oh my gosh. Right, anyway, let's head over to the north lifts now. The final two lifts are the north lifts, which are just like the south lifts. So here are the other lifts. Now, I'm going to have to go quick in this one because, yeah, we've only got 10 minutes left before we get a parking ticket. So we're going to have to go fast. It's this one. It is loud. Cool, that is loud. Nice chime. These were originally 1970s black button hours lifts IDK. These ones go to the lower parking.
Mind the door.
As you can see, this is north lift number 1. What? Whoa. This is illegal. We are going too fast. Right, brace yourself
Lower
for the
parking.
stop. Oh my gosh.
Doors opening.
This is a piece of work. We'll go back up to 4.
Let's get the other one. You go out.
Yeah, we'll get the other one. The voice gets a bit confused on these sometimes. I'm surprised these don't have the generic lift indicator glitch where it would go weird. Yep, we'll go up to 4. This is the north lift number 2.
Mind the door.
I'm not sure which is the fastest of them all. Here we go. This one ain't that fast. Definitely isn't as fast as some of the others.
4th floor.
Huh? It says 4th floor, but the indicator only shows 3. What an epic fail. It says it's on 3 in that on that indicator. What has happened? The lift got confused. Yeah, no, not there. We'll just go back to 1. Upper ground, in fact. Yeah. It doesn't know how to show.
1st floor. Lift going down. Doors opening.
I mean, just what was that?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go back to lower ground.
Go back to the car now.
Mind
Yeah,
the door.
we'll have to go back
Closing.
to our car. Here we go. Here we
Upper
go, we're
ground
already here.
floor. Doors opening. Lift going down.
So, anyway,
We need to go one more floor.
oh yeah. No.
Opening.
Door opening. The problem with generic lifts. Hey, stop. Stop constantly giving it floors to go.
Lower ground floor. Lift
As you can
going
see,
down.
ThyssenKrupp Elevator
Doors
Limited,
opening.
North Lift number 2. But, yeah. Anyway, that's been Captain Mumu riding all 7 of the lifts here. As you can see, shows it's going down now. And there's the heating on. God, it's hot in this place. Hot. But anyway, that's been Captain Mumu doing a lift tour of 7 lifts in this building and this building. So, anyway, that's been Captain Mumu in... I'm doing that outro twice. But anyway, I'm getting confused. I can't do my outro anymore. But anyway, that's been Captain Mumu doing a lift tour of 2 work buildings connected by a bridge. So, bye.